welcome to Chrissy's Loft. Today in the kitchen I will be teaching you how to make a healthy, quick, and easy recipe. It's called Fiesta chicken. I've got on my baker's gonna bake apron and I'm ready to get it popping. To make Fiesta chicken you will only need 6 ingredients. You'll need a lime, taco seasoning mix, pico de gallo, and I'm using this nacho and taco blend of Monterey Jack cheese blended with spices. You can also use Monterey Jack if you don't want the spices, but I like a lot of seasoning in my food. And also cilantro to sprinkle on top after it's finished. And you will also need 2 to 3 of these boneless, skinless chicken breasts. I'm using my lasagna pan, but you can use any baking dish that you prefer. Spray my pan. You want to preheat your oven to 375 degrees. These are some pretty thick chicken breasts, so I'm going to cut them in half, kind of fillet them right in half. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just want them to be thinner than they are. Okay, so now I've got my cutting board washed, because I just, cut the chicken on it. So my cutting board and my knife is clean now. And I'm going to season my chicken with this taco seasoning mix. I'm just going to put this seasoning on a plate and then just dip the chicken in it, so to speak. Just kind of rub it on there. Now that you got your taco seasoning on your chicken, go ahead and sprinkle some salt and pepper on there as well. Okay, now that we've got the chicken seasoned, we are going to drain some of this water off this pico de gallo, because we do not want our dish to be watery. So we'll just put it in there like so. And you can make your own pico de gallo if you'd like. It's just tomatoes, onions, cilantro, and jalapenos. But this is supposed to be quick and easy, so I got the already prepared pico de gallo. And then you want to cut your lemon in quarters. Well, not lemon, lime. You want to cut your lime in quarters. And you're just going to squeeze a little lime juice on top of that chicken. And while we're waiting for that oven to preheat, because it's not quite preheated yet, we're going to chop up some fresh cilantro. Give it a good wash. Okay, I'm just going to chop it up. So now we are done with prepping, and we're going to get this put together and put in the oven. Just take your pico de gallo and top your chicken with it. And then we're going to sprinkle it with our nacho and taco blend cheese. Okay, so we're ready to put it in the oven. We're going to be baking this for 35 to 45 minutes. Alright guys, it's been 35 minutes, so we're going to check the internal temperature of the chicken. It should be at 165 degrees. It's 1 minute long. Okay, so it looks perfect. I'll turn the oven off. And voila!